In this video, we're going to check out a pretty cool 3-in-1 speaker from Anonsuo. Let's go. What's up guys? I'm Jeff at ElJefe Reviews, and on my channel I do budget tech and gadget unboxings and reviews. If that's something you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week we're checking out the Anonsuo 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker. This guy's going for about $29.99 on Amazon.com right now, and I'll be leaving my affiliate links right down in the description below. This way you can check it out for yourself or maybe pick one up for you or a friend. I also want to give a quick thank you to Anonsuo for providing this review sample free of charge for my honest opinion and review. Now also, before we go any further, just want to give you guys a quick reminder that I'm still doing a giveaway on my channel. I'll be leaving a link to that video right up here. To enter, all you got to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. That's pretty much it. In about 1 week's time, we'll be picking a winner randomly from the comment section. Now with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is the Anonsuo wallet speaker. Pretty premium feeling box here. Like that little pull string there. But yeah, let's get it out. Let's take a look. A very nice premium feel to that. It's like a postcard. Odd, but okay. We have a full instruction manual here. Gives you some basic specs, different functions, gives you a diagram. Pretty straightforward. And here's the speaker itself. Nice aluminum body feel to it on this grill. Carrying strap. And looks like, I don't know if this is actual leather or faux leather, but it has a leather feel, it has that texture to it as well. Not bad. And let's see here, what else do we get? Looks like we have a, alright, so 3.5 millimeter, short 3.5 millimeter cable, and that's for the auxiliary in. So that. And looks like we also get, yeah, standard USB to a micro USB. And you could use that to charge this pack itself, or you can also use this to charge other devices using this pack. So yeah, looks like that's pretty much it out of the box. Basic info: model AS-1189, DC input 5 volts 1 amp, USB output 5 volts 1 amp, battery capacity 3.7 volts 4000 milliamp hour. Here's your battery level indicator, LED flashlight. Click it once, you get standard flashlight. Click it again, you get your strobe. Click it again, turns it off. Anonsuo branding. Power button right here. Hold that, that's going to turn on the Bluetooth speaker. You'll see a blue light flashing right here in the middle, and that's going to let you know it's ready to pair. The plus and minus rocker here. Long press for volume up, short press for track forward. Long press volume down, short press for track back. Right here you've got your 3.5 millimeter jack, that's for auxiliary audio input, standard USB for power bank output, and your micro USB right here to charge the battery of the Bluetooth speaker itself. So yeah, it's all in all pretty straightforward. Nothing overly complicated on this guy. Got a nice texture here, feels like leather, and aluminum body right there on the grill. So yeah, pretty good. Has good weight to it. It isn't overly heavy. Nice compact size. For comparison, this is the case that I use for my Galaxy S8. Definitely thicker, obviously, than a phone, but just about the same size, so you can definitely stuff this in your pocket without any issues. Alright, so let's go through and do a quick pairing demo. I'm going to pair it up with my tablet here. This guy up. It's a little blue light right there telling you it's ready to pair. There goes Anonsuo wallet.
Connected.
There we are. This is it at max volume, but not maxed out on the tablet. So as you can hear, just at max volume, you know, it'll start to sort of break up the sound, start distorting a little bit. But I mean, aside from that, I mean, it's got to be some bassy music for it to do that. So to its own credit, it actually has pretty good sound considering what it is. So, I mean, if you're not like a big bass head, if you're not listening to a lot of hip hop, you know, if you're listening to more rock or country or, you know, classical or, you know, different genres like that that aren't super drum and bass heavy, you know, this will work great for you. So yeah, but I just wanted to make you guys aware that at full volume off your phone, off a tablet, you know, if it's bassy, it will tend to distort at the higher volumes. As for his other function as a power bank, got it hooked up to my trusty Galaxy S4. That one's totally dead, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Right there. There it is, charging up. Looks like we've got full bars right now on the battery bank itself. So, yeah. So it looks like you can still charge, you know, you could charge a phone while you're listening to music. Now, I'm sure that that's going to quickly drain this battery, but that is an option as well. Let's see here. Flashlight's on, music's on, and we're charging the battery. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So, you know, it can actually do all of its functions at the same time, which is cool. So yeah, for 3-in-1, you know, if you're looking for one device that can do multiple things, yeah, you definitely want to check this out. You know, overall review on it is pretty good. You know, like I said, the only downside is that, you know, I listen to a lot of hip hop, so at max volume, it kind of tends to distort a little bit. But aside from that, I really like it. So let me know what you guys think. So that wraps up my unboxing and review of the Anonsuo 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker. Let me know what you guys think of this right down in the comments section. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave those down there as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.